Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm from Australia. We are really cold here today, really cold. So I've been working away in here this morning putting together some kits. Not kits, no. I've been working away putting together bits and pieces for my Etsy store. As I said once before on one of my videos, I have decided that I won't put them all together like I did have, because the price is too much, and some people wanted tags and not the, not the flowers, and because the flowers would probably be used for different things besides journaling, I suppose. So anyway, I've decided that I'll do this, so hopefully I'll have it sorted out by tomorrow, like a video up there on it, okay? Now, I've got, to start with, I've done the flowers, I've packed the flowers up in little packets like so. These are all the yellow ones. You get 5 yellow flowers. I will take them out. I've put some washi tape on here so I could take them out and show you quickly, because I have a few things to go through here, so I want to show you I'll just show you 2 different designs. There's 3 of these little ones here, and they are the biggest ruler I can find. Can we do an inch on this, please? Thank you. That is 1 3/4 inches across, that one, and those ones are the same. These ones here are about 2 1/4 inches. These 2 here, oh dear, drop that in the tails, and these are made with a suffle flower, puff flower, whatever they call it, and there's 2 of those, so they're in there, and they've got a doily underneath them, as you can see, and then I've just put whatever decoration on the top, so they will be in my Etsy, okay? The next packet is a one that I thought in my head they were more of old-fashioned sort of looking ones, you know, like vintage looking, maybe. You've probably seen me show these before anyway. These have got the doily underneath, a puff flower, and that's got another bit of doily and a flower on it, and they are done the same, except for these 2 here. These 2 are the same. These ones here are gathered with a really fabric that makes that look like that's really old, but it's not. Okay, so there's 5 in that packet, alright? So I hope you can see these alright. And now there's these ones here. These I have put in as a purple packet. I will say that these are, vintage. Well, these have got a vintage look to them, but they'll be the yellow packet, and these will be the purple packet. So they got the suffle flower. This one here is just, there's 2 lots of gathering. There are 2 pieces of doily on that one. There's another puff. They're called suffle. I'm sure they're a suffle flower, but they're actually those yo-yo. People call them yo-yo flowers as well. And there's this one here gathered round. So that's those purple ones. Then I have a packet of, I've got the pink and the purple combined here, and they are all the same size. As they're all turned out to be about 2 to 2 1/4 inches across, okay? 2 or 2 1/4, just depends on the thing underneath, but I'm sure they're all nearly about the same, okay? And this one is the blue one. This one I made with, I put one of my interesting ones there that I did one time. These are still the same size as well, I think. They are 2 1/2, but I don't want to take them all out of the packet because it's going to take me too long to do this. Okay, so that's the blue ones. Right, now I've put the tags in the packets of 8, I think. I think I've got 8 items in this one, righto? So we've got this little one with this little lady on. I might just bring you in a little bit further so you can see these a bit more in detail, I hope. So I will take a picture, but it'll be of them all together, so I can't take one of each one. I'll be there all day. You just understand that? So, like each individual set. And there's that one. I've got in this little small things, do small things with great love. I got this one here, and it's got a cockatoo on there. Cockatoo or glass? They're glass. No, that could be a cockatoo, and that could be, I don't know, that's a galah, that one there, I can see that. Anyway, so I've done that with, and it's got a nice piece of aged paper on the back. These ones here have got writing space. I forgot to show you that one. You can still write on the back of that even if it hasn't got any lines on it, okay? I've also got this one here that I made not long ago, and you know what? All this stuff I've made making videos, you're going to have to do something with it, otherwise can't keep it. So for anybody that wants this one, that does lift up there, but it can't be helped because it's fine. I mean, if I stick that down, it might not turn. Okay, it'll be nice for you anyway, if everybody likes it. I do love how I did that, and this will come with that thing. You can either stick that in the back, you know, you can pin it to the side, like onto a page. You can put it onto your page, right, like so, and put your clip on there, right, like this. I can't, I'm thinking all for fun this morning. So you can put that on there like so, or you can fasten that to the back of your book, like in the inside of your book, and still have that. And I don't know, maybe put it on the side of the thing so you can just close it with this over here still. Because I do like that. I do like these. Okay, so that's that one. Then I have this one here that I did. This has got a butterfly on there. I find this hard to press these things closed, but I think I might have got that one all right. Okay, and then we've got this one here that I made. Quite partial to this one, I quite like it. And it's got wrinkly, but that's craft, isn't it? And this other one you can either stick in the bottom or you can pin on the side. And then I put in a nice postcard birds on. Okay, so that's that lot, and that's going to be my, I'm going to have to give it a name, aren't I? I think I will have to give everything a name. Most people do that, don't they? They put a name on it. What are they? Anybody tell me? Oh dear, I can't really call this flowers because most of the things have got flowers in it. Well, this has got to go back in here. I'll find a name and I'll put it on it for you, and you'll find it. You'll find it by the decoration on it. I'll put it up there as something. Okay. Well, that might be packet 1. Okay, that might be easy if I do packet 1. Packet 2. Now, packet 2 is some of my recent work as well. This one here I made last night. This is actually a tea bag. Not used or anything, of course. And I've got a flower that I set on there because it's nice and flat, and I find that very appealing. I do like that. And you can either pin it in the top of your book or stick it on the side. You can glue it in, but as long as when you do that, you put something in there so it doesn't all stick to the bottom, but it sticks shut, so you still got your little pocket. Okay, I made this one here not long ago on a tutorial that I did. And so I got that one that I done just recently. Where am I? Can't find the camera. This one here I did just recently that I'm putting in there too, because there's no good me keeping all this. I've just made it all, and it just hangs around. And how long ago I made this, and it's still hanging around here, you know, because I need to actually clear up some of the stuff, and I might as well do these bits and pieces first. I made that one too not long ago, and that's got a little place there. There's a pocket in that. Wait a minute, we'll find something. Put that down in there, eh? What's this here? We'll put this down in there. So, let's see, that's what that is. I've just got a little card in there that's, and a bird. Okay, so that is number 2, right? This will be tag embellishments number 2. Where's my bag? Alright. Number 2. How am I going to remember this? I suppose I can watch the video. That'll help me. Which one do I want to show you now? Actually, I wasn't going to put... Oh, yeah. I'll put this one, I'll show you this one. Here's number 3. This one here I made yesterday. This window thingy. I've only got that sitting in there just so you can see that there's a pocket that you put in your book. Okay, hasn't got anything on the back because it's to be stuck in the book. All right, and it's got the window in it. So that's that bit. There's this one here that's got a button on. This one here, I really like that. It's lovely. I love that. This has got a bird in it. There's a bird. Actually, there's 2 birds in this one. And these are not actually tags. They can be tuck things because they got... I didn't put anything on the back of them, but you can put them in as a tuck. You know, you can put some glue along here and up the side and then put them in your book. Put them in your book and then you can tuck things down behind him, okay? So there's 2 of those Galar ones. There's this one here, this little girl picture. This is just for writing on. I have another little tag and it says enjoy the little things, the birding on it. And I have 2 postcards. One's a postcard and this one's a card, and I didn't realise that. But anyway, so that's in that lot there. Okay, that's number 3. What have I done with this bag? Number 3. This one here is number 4. You might have seen this. I don't know if I put the video up before I put this up. I really, really like this. I really do. It's a tipping, you know, and you stick that down there in your book and then you can tip it over and you probably could put a photo or something behind there. Then I have this one here that's made with a serviette. Love this. I do love that one. It's one of my favourites. I have a little... what is this? Fabric tag. Okay, it has got a piece of card in there in between because it makes it just like a lot stiffer. I also have in this one this thing that I put in the, what do you call this? I put it through the embossing, no, what did I put this through? The laminating thing, and I laminate that. I have this one here with the with the butterflies on it. Not a lot of design on that, but you can put something else on there yourself. There's not anything on this one either, sorry. Oh dear, nosy. So this is a really pretty one that I really like. I made these ones here as well, these pockets here, and I'm thinking I need to put something else there that you can see that opens that, don't we? We better do that, eh? You wouldn't think we can push that out? Alright. Oh. I don't know why I have to press it so hard. But there's that there. And there's one here, and I've made it so it's got writing on the back and it's got a dangly on the front, and I think that this would be better to put it into the side of your book because it doesn't actually, it has a pocket. Has a pocket, has a place for writing also on the back of it. So that's those ones there. They're the blue lot. Okay. Right, now we're getting there. Hang on, we've got a lot to go yet. A couple to go. Couple to go yet. And there's, oh no, oh yes, there still is 1 or 2 more. This one here is my yellow one. I love this. I love all these beautiful things in here. So that's a tag, and it's from the Graphics 45. This one here is just one of those tags with the dangles on it. This one here I've only just made recently. Found it a little bit tricky to decorate. I don't know whether it's because of the colour of it or what, but it took me a minute. Anyway, so there's this one here as well. I think you might have seen that too. These ones here somehow ended up with the same the same flower on it, but you know, they were even... This one I coloured the flower a bit because I wanted it to be a little bit yellower, you know. And I didn't know I used that on here as well, but when I found them, when I put them together this morning, they're sort of got the same decorations on. I suppose it was just going through my mind, I suppose. So there's 4 of those. There's this little dangly thing that's going to go in that. There's a little dress that you can put on with your paper clip, see that there? And then there's this one here that I put this ribbon on it, even though it is a pocket. It's up to you, I suppose, whether you write on there or not, because that would make it really cool, wouldn't it? But that's actually concealed under the piece of paper on the back, so you can use it as a you can take it out if you want to just tick it, put it in there with a you know, one of them pins. Ah dear, Sonia. A paper clip, audio. Thank you very much, everybody. I do make mistakes sometimes. I think we all do. All right, so next one is just a few little bits that I put in the packet that I've been making, and I've just didn't actually put them in with anything. I just put them by themselves, and I have got two of these here pins. They've got this one's got a little bulb pin on the bottom of it, the top of it, I mean, to hang it up in your journal, and this one here's got a clip like so. You can clip it in, and this one here is just one that you can stick on if you want to, with a little dangly bit. There's a tiny baby envelope. There's a little dress with it's actually a pin, a little book, and two little pouches that I've got Velcro closure on them, and a little button and a little pin on each one of those. So that is all for the time being, because I intend to put some of the laces and things that I've just got just recently. I might share a few of them, and I don't know. I've got to get round to it. It's the thing that, you know, it takes a little while, because I've been in here, I've been in on 3 hours now. It took me 3 hours to get that stuff all together and put them into bags. It did. It took me 3. I wasn't fiddling. I just wanted to make sure it was all nicely done, you know. So anyway, so if you want to go over to my Etsy and have a look and see what you can see, if you would like to find anything you like. And I'm sure that I'll be doing something else different in a minute. So I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.